YouTube, we are back with another video. Today we're going to be going over XRP and what that means to me as far as the different levels that I am looking at. And yeah, let's just do it, man. Let's go over it. We're going to go over this level right here, why we're looking at that. We're going to go over this level right here, why we're looking at this. And then we'll go over this level right about here, why we're looking at that. All right, so if that sounds good, make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe, all that fun stuff. Let's just run it real quick. Run the intro. So if that sounds good to you guys, make sure you guys go down below this video, hit that like and subscribe button, join us over on Discord, follow me on Twitter, and most importantly, if you guys would like to find out how to make $3,000 in 3 hours like this person here, or like I did right here, which is $300 in just 17 minutes, or the big master trade right here, 4,400%. You go down below this video, you sign up to Bybit using my link right there, and I'll send you my course completely and totally for free as a thank you for signing up. If you already have an account with Bybit or another exchange, that's fine. Just take your crypto, transfer it over to your new account, and start trading, and then let me know once you do that, and I will send you my course for free. And also join us because we're doing live trading over here. Anyways, back to the video. All right, so now that we're back, let's go over it. Why are we looking at these levels? Well, let's go to the daily here real quickly. I mean, wow, look at this. We have so much more room to go to the upside. If we're going to pull the fib from swing high to swing low, first things first, let's go down to the 2 hour here. Get a better understanding of what it is that we're looking at. Let's go down to the 1 hour, actually, to be honest. So the reason why we're looking at this $1.05 area is because if this is just a wick of death, then we could expect a possibility, depends on what Bitcoin's going to do. If you come up, you take these highs, then you come back down, take these lows, and then come back up like that, right? So I would say if we do start to come down, this is the first area that we would want to be aware of, because you could come down, take these lows, swing failure, and then pop right back up. Or the next area, like we were talking about in the previous video, is like 97, 98 cents to come down here and take these lows, okay? But again, we have to make sure that we're looking at what Bitcoin is doing, because Bitcoin, as you can see, is dictating what all the other coins are doing. I mean, there's literally no coins in the red. None whatsoever. So make sure you guys keep an eye out on what Bitcoin is doing. If we do continue to move to the upside, I would expect for XRP, again, unless Bitcoin goes insane, then the other coins follow. I would say that this could be a swing failure of these areas and have another run of the 618, but we've already hit that area. So I would say the next area that we could be looking at is a swing failure of these highs up to this 786 area, which is about like $1.30 up to the 786. So those are the two areas that I'm looking at to the upside. We really have to look at what Bitcoin is doing. I mean, this thing is been climbing like an absolute monster, and this bot that I created a little bit late, but it literally all of the it would have longed here. Some of you guys might be like, oh, that's not true. Well, I mean, I could bring it up and show you guys, but that's not what we're here for. If you guys are interested in the bot, make sure you guys sign up to Bybit, and then when you guys do sign up to Bybit, let me know, and then I'll send you the indicator that basically longed all those lows. And so what else is there? That's really it. I mean, to be honest with you, there's really not much. The main thing that we have to make sure that we're doing is we're watching out for Bitcoin. You guys know me. I'm not really trying to make these things longer than they really need to be. I don't need to be talking about $5 XRPs or 50-cent XRPs when we haven't even gotten down to like $1. You know what I mean? Let's just trade it as it is. Trade what we're seeing so far. Trade what we know that's happening right now in the immediate short term, something that we can react to. And that'll be that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. And what else is there? I was supposed to say something. Oh yeah, join the Discord. Join us over where we are looking for people who can code in Python or C. We're looking to use MetaTrader. So if you're a coder and you're interested in bots and indicators and stuff like that, or you're interested in learning how to code, definitely make sure you guys join us and join us in the trade and chill section and all that fun stuff. Other than that, I think I'm done.